So good morning, everyone. Let's discuss worksheet number 16 of chapter Wind, Storm and Cyclone. Yesterday we did worksheet number 15. So children, kindly write your name, class, section, roll number and today's date even. First is A part, take the correct option. Air moves from a region of low to high pressure, high to low pressure. Movement of air is independent of air pressure. Yes, Mahi Gupta, or none of these? Yes, Mahi?
Okay, ma'am. The air moves from a region, ma'am, high pressure to low pressure.
Yes, so second option will be the correct one, from high pressure to a low pressure. Next is the flow of wind from ocean to land. Is it a cyclone, tornado, typhoon, or monsoon winds? So flow of winds from ocean to land. What we can say to it? Yes, Tanvi?
Ma'am, monsoon winds.
Yes, these are known as monsoon winds. Number 3. Which of the following is true for the eye of a cyclone? It is an area of high pressure, area of low pressure, lot of clouds and rains. It has a high temperature. So, yes, raise your hand, children. Center of a cyclone. So, it is an area of low pressure. So, kindly mark it. Next is number 4. The winds on the earth do not flow in the exact north to south or south to north direction as they originate. Why it is so? So what can be the reason for it? We have to take care due to the seasons of earth, rotation of earth, revolution of the earth, or the shape of the earth. Yes, Shaurya Singh, what can be the answer for it? Yes, Sejal.
Ma'am, due to the seasons of the earth.
No. Anything else? Shaurya Singh, Bhavya Joshi, Vedika.
Yes, ma'am, due to the rotation of the earth.
So the answer will be due to the rotation of the earth. So kindly mark it. C part is the right option for it. Next is number 5. Upon heating, gases become lighter. Why it is so? You have seen that gases become lighter. Yes, Vansh Sharma?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because ma'am, that decreases in molecular space.
No, beta, gases becomes lighter. On heating, what happens? Molecular space increases or decreases?
Ma'am,
Increases.
may I tell Mahi?
Yes, it increases. Next is, which of the following countries is more likely to affected by cyclone? Nepal, Indonesia, Hungary, or Mongolia? So, which countries are used to hit? Children, I want each one of you kindly switch on your cameras. Will be hit by the cyclone. So yesterday we did that the countries which are in the east region. So that will be affected by, more will be affected by a cyclone. Okay. So I hope children till here we have done. Each one of you have did. These are all the options. Everybody has done it.
Ma'am, can you tell
Question number 6 again.
Question number 6 is the first option, Nepal. Let's continue with the next one now. Number 7. Which of the following is not affected by air pressure? So children, kindly raise your hands.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yes, beta, yes.
Drinking a soft drink through a straw.
Okay, which the following is not affected by the air pressure? Riding a bicycle against wind, air pressure is required. Flying a kite, a ball falling to a ground. I think this option will be the right
Ma'am,
one.
yes.
Yes,
A
because
ball falling to the ground is
Ma'am, a ball falling to
correct.
the ground.
so there is a reason behind it. Because can you give me the reason for it? Because in this case, the friction is required, and rest of the cases, the air is required. Even you are drinking, if you are drinking a soft drink through a straw, the air pressure is required. Only then the drink comes out in the straw. Number 8, a plastic bottle containing water kept in the refrigerator got squeezed. Because of what's the reason behind it? You need to raise hand, children. When you keep the plastic bottle in the refrigerator, it gets squeezed. What's the reason for it? Yes, Fiona. For the option is air expand on heating. Due to the low air pressure, air contracts on cooling. There is no air in the
Air
bottle.
Ma'am, may I
contract,
tell one?
air contracts
Ma'am.
and cooling, and due to moisture from outside.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vansh, tell now.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the air expands on heating and due to lower pressure if from outside.
Okay. Anybody else want to say? Children, if we are keeping it in the refrigerator, so there will be a cooling. So air contracts on cooling. This will be the right option. Okay. Next is match the following. Northeast wind. Rotation of earth, wind vane, cyclone watch, monsoon, cyclone warning. So northeast winds. Kindly raise your hands with whom we can match it. That is with the change in the direction of wind. So this may cause the cyclone. Next is rotation of earth.
Issued 24 hours in advance.
No. Yes, Vansh Sharma or Anya Jain. Rotation of the earth. What may be caused?
Direction of wind.
Yes, direction of winds. Rotation of earth that causes to change the direction of winds. Next is, kindly raise your hand only, wind vane. How it is useful? Or you can do the monsoon. Let's do the next one, only then you will get it. Cyclone warning. Yes, Abhigyan or Divyanshi, you can say. Cyclone warning with whom you can match. It can be issued 24 hours in advance.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a doubt.
But I speak loudly.
Ma'am, the wind, ma'am, we should match it with direction of wind.
Okay. Monsoon is with the bring little rainfall. Next is cyclone watch. That is issued 18 hours before.
Ma'am,
Okay.
the numbers are 625-314.
Yes, but you
Yes.
don't speak like this. So you can just match what you were saying. 6. I can't write here. 6.
Ma'am, 625314.
625.
6253114.
Okay.
625314.
Okay, children. So you can do it. Next is,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, what did we match with wind vane?
wind vane. You can erase it from wind vane, that is used to measure the direction of wind speed. We can measure the speed of wind. So it is not here direction of wind you can match. Wind vane, you can match it with the and for rotation of earth, I have to remove it from here. And okay, children, wait. Let's do it again. If any of the, let's do it again. Then we don't. Okay, 3 6. Write down 5. Okay. So children, you can write down those who have not done till now. Next is question number question number 3. Question number C part. Let's see to it. Why does wind blow from land to sea in winters? What's the reason behind it? Or what is the cause of generation of wind? Where do thunderstorms usually develop? So children, I
Ma'am,
need the
can I
answer
answer
of
the
all these
first
questions.
part? Ma'am, can I answer the first part?
Yes, sure.
This happened because the moving mass of cold air is at a much lower temperature than the air being displaced.
Yes. So children, everybody has to write down for this. Why wind blows from land to sea in winters? Children, you know the temperature of water in the ocean is higher than that of land. So in short, you can write down the temperature of ocean. You have to write down, children, yourself, because the temperature of oceans is higher than that of land. Temperature of ocean is higher than that of land. Okay? Kindly write down. Temperature of ocean is higher than that of land. Next is, what is the cause? What is the cause of generation of wind? So can anybody tell me why it is so? Due to the uneven heating of earth. Write down. You have read uneven heating of earth. Uneven heating of earth. Uneven heating of earth. Okay. Next, where do thunderstorms usually develop? So you have to tell from where the thunderstorm develop. Anybody of you?
Ma'am,
Especially,
can I?
yes, beta, yes, you can.
Thunderstorms form when warm, moist air rises into cold air.
Yes. So frequently thunderstorms are usually developed in the area where the warm and moist air from the tropical latitudes collide with the cooler air. So children, you can write down where warm and moist air, या आप लिख सकते हैं the place where warm and moist air collides with cooler air. Okay, so you can write down the place where the most air, where the moist air, warm and moist air collide with cooler air. Okay, next is, children, you can write down D part from where the word monsoon has been taken. Yes, Nishchay Jain.
Ma'am, the word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word mosam, which
Ma'am,
means
the
season.
monsoon word.
Okay, children, write down everyone. Okay, write down fast. This you can write down your area yourself.
Ritika, please let me know the worksheet you are doing for which chapter.
Okay, ma'am, wait.
Ma'am, we are doing the worksheets of when the windstorms and cyclones.
Yes, let me show the name of the chapter to ma'am. This is a worksheet number 15.
You can continue, ma'am.
Yes, children. Next is 15 we did yesterday. Today we are going to do with the 16. So Nishchay, you have given the answer of this question. From where is the word monsoon taken? What does it mean? So the monsoon word has been taken from mosam, and it means, what does it mean? Kindly raise your hand, children. Yes, Fiona. It means seasons. Okay.
Ma'am, can I also answer this part?
Yes, you can.
The word monsoon comes from the Arabic word mausim, which means weather.
Okay. Which means season or weather. Any word you can write down. Okay, let's continue with the next question. What are the first indications of approaching cyclone?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, Vansh Sharma, you can tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, strong winds and push water towards the shore even if the storm is hundreds of the kilometers away.
Okay. So anybody else can add that what is the indication of approaching an cyclone? If there is a cyclone to come, what is the first indication we can get from it? Anybody else, as Vansh Sharma has given the answer? Yes, Vedika.
Yes, ma'am. The Cyclone Forecast and Warning Service, rapid communication of warnings to the government agency, the ports, fishermen, ships, and the general public.
Wait, Vedika. What has been told? What is the first indication of approaching cyclone? When the cyclone is about to come, what is the first indication? As Vansh has told that there is a high speed winds are there. Okay.
Okay,
This is the
ma'am.
first indication. So in short, you can write down high speed winds are there. High speed winds. Next question number 3. List the various factors which contributes to the development of a cyclone. So in this question, you can write down, children, what are the various factors? Factors which helps to develop a cyclone. Which type of air pressure is created there?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, better.
Factors like wind speed, wind direction, temperature, and humidity contribute to the development of cyclones.
Yes, very good. So these are the 4 factors, the factors which are responsible for the weather. You can write down that factors. So first factor you can write down wind speed. Another one is temperature. Next is, what are the others one? Humidity. Humidity.
Humidity, rainfall.
Yes. Humidity and
List
rainfall.
the various factors which contribute to the development of a cyclone.
Yes. Children, I want each one of you to write down the complete sentence. I am writing the words only. You have to write down the complete sentence for it. Next is number 4 question. You have to identify the given pictures. So first is for
Cyclone.
Tornado.
first is for tornado. And
And second is for
Second is for cyclone.
okay, yes, second is for
cyclone.
cyclone. So children, this worksheet is